Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word disfavor. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. His constant lateness and lack of effort have caused him to fall into the teacher's disfavor. Disfavor means a state of disapproval or lack of favor. In this context, it indicates that the teacher has a negative opinion of the student due to his behavior. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.